welcome to TCM Study Corner. We're going to do the project CaliFormula that mainly 83 formulas that will be tested in California. This video is special for who is studying herbs in the school, but they can't do tutor in person. So let's see. At the beginning, whatever the materials you are using to study, we should choose one out of all as your main study material and label them, because we are not going to study one by one as what we learn in the class. We use 4 season ways to categorize all the 16 categories. For example, in the spring, we tend to use release exterior, expel dampness, treat flames, and also expel wind. Do you know why? The weather tends to be more humid and sometimes rainy, and also you can easily catch the cold. That's the timing for you to use these 4 categories. And in summer, we know it's so hot in summer, so you can choose the categories for clear heat, and also heating the blood will cause bleeding, so stop bleeding, invigorate the blood will also be the one that you can choose in summer. Last but not least, if you eat a lot in summer, it will cause you easily indigestion, which you should choose food stagnation. So how about in fall? We will feel easy cough of dryness, and also like half in, half yang, half interior, half exterior. So harmonize and treat dryness is commonly used in fall. And also, if you have dryness in your large intestine, you will have constipation. So downward draining and also regulated qi will be the one covers all the fall weather symptoms. Last but not least, in the winter, we're so cold. So warm interior will be the one that you link to winter. And also it's a good timing, best timing for tonificate your whole body to prevent the coming disease in the next year. So tonification category, it will be the one that linked to winter, and also calm your mind, calm the spirit, stabilize and bind. So here's the 16 categories we reorganized in 4 parts by season. You can find some connection between the usage of the formula compared to just remember like for the test. Also, the formula is a group of herbs. Along the way that you study formula, you can also review the ingredients and then link to the herbs, so it makes your study more interesting and easier. Also, a timeline of the schedule is really important for you to check up your study progress. So at least twice a week, at least 2 hours a day. That helps you catch up all 4 parts of the formulas in 4 weeks, which is a month. So, and then you can go details as you need. Here's the 83 formulas. For example, we draw a big picture in order to figure each of the category. In the spring, expel dampness is the main one that we are going to learn at the beginning, and we draw the common symptoms from the bottom to the top. It's like a tree growing up, and when we take the test, most of the time we can remember something up here at the beginning, but start blurred in the bottom. That's how our memory works. So if you write something on the top of the paper, you can easily, clearly remember. Same as the flashcard. If you prefer to do each formula on the flashcard, it's better to write something important on the top of the card instead of the bottom. And then we will go one formula for one key symptoms. That's the special term that triggers your memory. When you see this, for test purpose, when you see this description, you should know that formula is the one that we need. Especially when you use the formula, one key symptoms can trigger you to use one out of the others, and also differentiate between two similar formulas.